Oh, sir, may kalat na.
Content thầy mo. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, this is the first biology class for class 12 of this season. Các trong sự thầy em, sự chiang thầy em. Các trong sự chiang thầy em. Anyone? Sự thầy mo. Sự thầy là thầy, sự thầy là thầy đầu tiên ha. Các sự là ngay à. Các trong sự chiang thầy em.
Headphone le earphone mang ka chuan in microphone kha unmute tu la mute lo la i earphone mo headphone mo mang ka chuan in microphone kha mute lo mai ro.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chiang không mấy.
Try. Nó còn trơn nào. Okay, biology là đâu na? Class 12 fa. Biology là đâu cho medical line à tập tập cho cái tu mang. Ta sẽ đến tu ni. Okay. Chuan, vậy là chuan, hun cái này claim mà. So wangin introductory part cho con tiếng. Itu thầy em.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chuan, first of all, I'll tell you the mark distribution for every unit. Okay. I'll tell you the mark distribution for every unit. Unit 1, it will carry 14 marks. You can record it in your textbook. Unit 1 will carry 14 marks. Unit 2 will carry 18 marks. Unit 2 will carry 18 marks. Unit 3 will carry 14 marks. Unit 3 will carry 14 marks. And Unit 4 will carry 10 marks. Okay. Unit 4 will carry 10 marks. And the last unit, Unit 5 will carry 14 marks.
Kim mar kha present screen kha off ro le. Kim mar. Ti kha tunga present screen ti kha stop presenting ti kha click ro le. Stop presenting ti kha click ro le. Kim mar khan screen akan stop presenting ti kha omang. Kim mar kha email lo chuan het tangin imanin kan lo ti to panga kan remove don cheni.
Kim mar. Stop role Kim mar kha. Presentation ni ti kha. Stop thầy em. Try. Stop rồi. Thì con. You have known the every unit, the mark carry, isn't it? So today we'll go on the introductory part. Okay. The unit 1. I'll start from unit 1. Unit 1 is mainly for reproduction in organisms. Okay. Unit 1 is reproduction in organism. Okay, good. First of all, what do you mean by reproduction? I think you have studied in your class 9, 10, 8, 9 in high school classes and in class 11 also. Okay, so we are studying two types of reproduction in this unit. They are mainly sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. We have two types of reproduction. Number 1 is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay. Ile khabu khan en kher logula atlang pu soi thok don chu revision ma class 11 0 te class 8 9 10 0 te soi don in the khabu khan om lawang. This for revision only. So I'll repeat again. Okay, we'll study about asexual and sexual reproduction, the two types of reproduction. Okay, firstly, sexual reproduction. We'll go sexual reproduction. By sexual reproduction, we means two organisms are involved. Okay, two parents organism, you can say, male and female. Okay, so two organisms are involved in sexual reproduction. But in asexual, only one organisms are involved. Okay, and there are different types of asexual reproduction. Okay, so we'll go to that asexual reproduction in the next class. Okay, so about sexual reproduction. Joseph Chiak, you are presenting something, you close it. Joseph Chiak, you are presenting something, you have to close that one. Okay, good. Okay, in sexual reproduction, as I have told you, Thanga, you are again presenting something. You have to close it. Thanga, you are presenting something, you have to close it. Close rồi Thanga. He present ka. Okay. You are talking about sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, we need two organisms, male and female. Okay. And by that combination of male gametes and female gametes, we get a new organism. It is called sexual reproduction. I think you have studied in class 8, 9, 10 and all. I'm doing revision only. Okay. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. And asexual means we only need one organism, and there are different types of asexual reproduction. Oh, okay. So you now you look at your textbook in the second page, page number 6 of your biology textbook in NM. Okay, there are different types of lifespan for animals. Okay, plants and animals, we have different lifespan. Lifespan jiasu kan dam chung kan dam ni ha. Oh, plant puin ay nang
Yes, sir.
It's not according to the size. Okay, the lifespan is not according to the size. Okay, you have seen the example in the textbook also. This mango tree, they may grow for 100 or 200 years, but this banyan tree, they grow longer. Okay, like that. It's not according to size. Okay. And the next is the main stage during lifespan. Do you see that one? Main stages during lifespan. In Muem?
Yes, sir.
That number 1, juvenility. It's very important. Okay, it used to come in the board exam and many entrance exam. Juvenility number 1. It refers to the stage from birth till organism attains the capacity to reproduce. Jiachu, the kan pian til trangin, ta kan production kan nei thai chen kha. It is called juvenility. Okay. In female, the juvenility stage start around 13 years. Okay, in period mo sabe trangkhan in 29 chu. Chiang em, chia chuan. Mi pa chuan khat ding kaum thei lo ni. Oh, in female mostly. Okay, so juvenility means it's stage of an organism till it has the capacity to attain or reproduce. This is coming in board exam. Okay, and next maturity, you all know what is maturity, isn't it? No need to explain. And next is aging or senescent. Okay, next is aging or senescent. Okay, you have seen this time many leaves fall from the main part of the plant, isn't it? This is also called senescent. Means joy. You can't imagine. Oh, but don't know an antara, antika tiangkan. Oh, senescent or aging means. And last is day. Okay, so these are the main stages of organism. Say non leang kan pian tir tranga eta kan reproduce taken ka juvenility. And from juvenility, maturity starts. And after maturity, senescent. Is it here, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, and now we'll go to the next topic. Okay, reproduction. As I've told you, there are different types of reproduction. Okay, the main type is asexual and sexual reproduction. Okay, asexual and sexual type of reproduction. Page number 7. You see page number 7. Okay, first we'll go to asexual or vegetative reproduction according to your book. So it is written in your textbook that it's a reproduction of offspring. Offspring means from a single organism without fusions of gamete. Male and female gametes ka fuse don't lo tinan so. Siya game fusion to insert to fusion oma insert to so. Male and female ka fuse lo win now teron piang ka. Or offspring on ka. This is called asexual reproduction. Okay, and it is mostly produced by somatic cell. Somatic cell how's in home here? Anyone? Tungi ka all kamarom nuala inom nuala ka sa tol to in class. Somatic cell means the cell. Elizabeth, you are presenting something, you have to stop it. Elizabeth, you are presenting something, you have to stop it. Elizabeth, you are presenting something, you have to stop it. Please stop it, Elizabeth, you are presenting something. You have to stop it. Elizabeth, you are presenting something, you have to stop it.
Stop presenting dikha kan chuak rila mo Elizabeth ka outla ani lo chong kan remove function changsia chuak lai ron lut thale don ya chuak lai ron lut thale mai don ya Elizabeth ka chuak lai ron lut thale don ya Elizabeth T, okay, I need to remove you from here.
Okay, we'll continue again. Okay. Okay. Start again. Okay. I've told you we are in somatic cells, isn't it? Somatic cells are the cells none other than these gametes. Okay, gamete means reproduction involved male and female gametes. Somatic cell kanti. Reproductive organ I think you have studied in class 9. Somatic cell kanti somatic cell also reproductive organ produce reproductive organ male sperm producer, female ova producer. Kami lo zong ka somatic cell suni. Siang kami lo zong ka. I'll repeat again. Somatic cells are those cells, okay, which are not produced by the reproductive organ. Production of tello ka somatic cell suni. Siang Okay. Next is sexual reproduction. It is the formation of offspring through the formation of fusions of gametes. Sexual one, somatic cell ka teldon lo. Male and female gametes ka niyang. Male one, maninga, female one ova niyang. You will study that reproduction of human being in the next chapter. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to asexual reproduction. Page 7, asexual reproduction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, asexual reproduction. Characteristic number 1. As I have told you, it only involves one parents. Okay, pakatso involved in answer. Mostly it is in plant family. Okay, animal families are number clowny. Apa tel lawa nau tian nom lo ni siang em laboratory will just thai thawa ma se apa ne chon om lo tu ka ni the lower organism so nom thai thea nom mai thea ma se animals pang ai son an om lo di thai okay and gametes are not formed. Okay, so fertilization is not there in asexual reproduction. So the cell divisions may be mitotic or amitotic. Okay, so there are two types of cell division: meiosis and mitosis. Kind of here, meiosis and mitosis. Okay, mitosis anyone? Say no, ma'am. They khai là share em, đi cùng với sự sự sẽ có.
Sáng thầy kiến vất tọ.
Okay, mitosis division is also known as addition division. Chính确这咯。哎，就 class 6 就多，我一听就了。Mitosis division means addition division means pakat tay panhiron so kang. Panhiron so kang nga. Chuan a panhi po kha appearance and size inang rengang. For example, pum khati appearance body kha kg ni lo unta se. Chuan a daughter cell panhiron so kha kg ni ve ron so kang. You ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Mitosis division too. It is also known as addition division. Ma'am? Adaughter tangkhan panidar on so gazel thay. So it is called addition division. Okay. And meiosis one. Example. No.
Cái nghe ông thầy cho tiền chú.
Kan taksa ông chở tu nó pohan.
Yes, sir.
Kan taksa ông chở cell division itu nó pohan. Itong line con division ông chở. Em.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. So meiosis. Cái chiang to mitosis, chiang to tro. Meiosis ka lang. Meiosis one appearance body kha kg ni lo ta se. Adaughter cells one kg khat ve ven so kang ase panhiron chok thungam. Chiang em.
Yes, sir.
It is called subtraction division nanti. Biological term. Chiang em. You should hear em.
Yes, sir.
Paper ka se ka lo en ro ko. Kg yang ka se ka bas kg yang chun lo ni cells on ni se thiam nan. Hey. Khan ni appearance body hi muthayel dikhan. Muthayel. Appearance body ni tro 2 kg ni sa mitosis on chuan 1 kg ve on chokang. Chiang em. Means 2 kg trong in panhi half ve separate nan chu. Se thiam lo sam nan. Kg ti so ni lo ni cell kg khadar ri lo ni ni se thiam nan je mai. You thiam tro.
Yes, sir.
Lo je ka mo le no. Mitosis chuan number 1 hai 2 kg ni muthayem. Unta se division omanga chuan handwriting in album lawa.
Hello.
Ni muthayem.
Sir, con một thầy lâu.
Screen ka je kin muthay lo mi.
Muthai sir.
Cái chế bằng một thầy chế bằng làm sao để luôn cái gì thì dễ còn không dễ làm cái gì cái gì sự interest chém nào thì mấy nhớ Because cái dễ làm is called mitosis division. Mitosis. Meiosis one cái gì nikalom ta se cái gì khát angin on chokang in muthai ve kem screen a
No, sir.
Sir, No.
Ủa?
Có một thầy, có một thầy.
Một thầy lo nghe không gì lo một tôm rồi lo một tôm bây rồi hiện nay thì nal bak lawa mouse kaman wagin sang kang to ba ya một thầy em
Yes, sir.
Sir, kan một thầy đầu, training kan một thầy đầu.
Sir, cái này bộ một thầy đâu.
training một thầy lo training một thầy em ơi chuyển cho
in mu thầy lo chan chu i principal HMS tia khan voi khat touch emo click ula chuan pin le malo mang in pinang
Yes, sir, có một thầy chứ.
Kan một thầy, sir.
chưa ya isu tiam tero de mitosis biosis dang lam na isu tiam em
Yes, sir.
tina class kal huna ka zo don cheu nia set lo chuan pen ang cheu class kal huna siang em khôi người tu thân này come on okay meiosis and mitosis dang lam na chu ni thế thiam với này em anyone
Sir, sir, meiosis ka.
meiosis ka hindi
Meiosis. Lâu thôi trời đâu kìa.
meiosis om je chumo it is a reduction division kan ti pakhat omonga pakhat rakhan panhirong chok thawang mitosis ang se mase appearance body nei ang don lo chiang
Yes, sir.
appearance body nei ang don lo achan chu meiosis so subtract ni to wangin for example appearance body kha kg dlom ta se meiosis son offspring kha kg khatabi anian sokam ni diamem
Yes, sir.
meiosis suni it's called subtraction division or reduction division kanti so asexual reproduction is excuse me it is called mitotic division kanti mitotic mitosis ay nagrang ni they are same okay mitotic mitosis they are same okay
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so in asexual reproduction is mitotic division, and next is the individual form are identically same to the parents. Okay, so they are clone. Okay, morphologically and genetically they are same to the parents. Morphology of morphology. Anyone knows the meaning of morphology? Morphology means external structure. Morphological structure kan dizon external structure kan huthei hoka which we can see with our eye. They are morphological structure. And anatomy means which we cannot see. Okay, internal structure hoga anatomy. So this asexual reproduction they produce morphologically similar offspring. And genetically they are same. Genetics quality don't yeah. Okay, they are mostly this asexual reproduction I have told you they are found in plants. Okay, plants and itlang pui plants le lower organisms so lower organisms so chenge kan tisuan the bacteria tite kan tunlai kan boi pri virus tite covid-19 tite poi mitosis division ve kan ya nei hi chiang okay, so this amoeba, paramecium and all. Okay, in this type of organism this asexual reproduction is found. Is it here, in plants and
Yes,
lower
sir.
organisms. Okay, and one thing in higher plant, bryophyllum in putoem pangparania anha hi sing do lek acha do lek in class lea kalau karon kengang anha khatla anha kangkar on chor mai thin ani is also called asexual reproduction. You hear me?
Yes,
sir. Okay, and there are different types of asexual reproduction. Number one is fission. Number two, budding, sporulation, fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. Okay, I think we'll do that one in next class. Next class kan tiang aso. Tiang em. Set tiang lối name. Set tiang lối name. Anyone? Any question? Any question you can ask me? Question in the law, so in set tiang lối na. Set tiang which screen low. Cái số zero nhiều class bên rồi đây có ngã thế nhiều. Cho sẽ thêm mấy này em. Này tao lồng không? Cái sexual reproduction plan quý chú cần做啊. Cái ta type số có lẽ cần tí nữa. Tuần. Cái bị chấp cái khi ở lớp thi hàng人啊. muốn sang tí luôn nha. Okay. Nó sẽ có sự thêm vector.
Yes, sir.
Thì hơn biology class cần dâu à. Mình sẽ thêm mấy lần base à. Cái một lên cho tôi là in shock lại với cái ngã cho minute thum nữa maths class lang maths lao kan. In shock với cái ngã cho maths class là tôi rồi lút lại với cam. Chiang em.
Yes, sir.